Are we live? I think so. Ah, look at that. We are. Hi, guys. Welcome to TMT. Oh my goodness, it's been a day and a half. Not it's been a day and a half since I've been here. It's just been one of those days. My gosh. Okay, so let's have a look, see what happened yesterday, shall we? So since I left, oh, it had a, so if I'd put this trade in, I would have hit a winning trade. Oh well, it's fine. I thought about doing it and I didn't. You know, shit happens, right? Rather, and I did. I ended in the green yesterday, which is exactly what I wanted. And that's, nope, that's not what I want. Low kill. And it just looks like it's just steadily been climbing for the rest of the day, to be honest, which is quite cool. Rest of the day. Today. Okay. Why did we do that? Cool. Moving on. So let's see what we have here today, right? I'm making my life just difficult. Just go there. Honestly. Oh. Cool. Don't need to mark any of the highs. Glad I looked at that. That would have annoyed me if I'd done all that work for absolutely no reason. Wait a second. Is this a little swing? No. Ugh. I think I need to go put myself in a timeout for that one. My sleeves were annoying me. We have an overstimulated day. Guys, today might be the day you witness me crying on live stream. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see, my eyes are watering. Can you see? For no other reason apart from I'm just stressed. That is straight up the only reason. Okay, but anyways, back to just marking out all my liquidity lines. This is basically equal highs over here. Anyways, do you know how easy it would be for me to cry on, I would say command. I don't know if that's the best word, but you know, cry on cue. Theoretically that one was taken, so I'm not gonna count it. Yeah, so on a good day I can make myself cry. Make myself, that sounds bad. It sounds like I'm like punching myself in the face to get myself to start bawling like a baby. No, when I say make myself cry, I mean I have this unique skill of, if I want to cry, I can. Like, if... I almost don't want to say this because it sounds bad. Like, it either sounds like it's proper manipulation coming from me, or it's a trauma response. Don't mind me, just questioning my whole fucking existence at the moment. Oh my great giddy aunt. That's, ooh, there's equal highs. That's all I can say. Sorry, I'm literally just so much liquidity. Like, it makes me happy and also freaks me out because, oof, I wonder if we're gonna then be bearish today to come and get all this, except it has just steadily been climbing this whole time. So very, very interesting. Yeah. Literally steadily climbing. Like I said, I missed say that. I missed like a week, so there might be some liquidity that I don't know about going on up here. Or there's actually nothing. Anyways. Because there's nothing there, it freaks me out because there's probably a bunch of order blocks down here that I am not witnessing at the moment. I mean, like, technically, there's one. But it was taken out. Here's one. Was it taken? Oh, it was just taken. That's where that drop came from. Oh, this could be nice. This could be a nice OB day. Order block day. Oh, let's see. Or else we're just gonna be consolidating, and that's what today is all about. We just consolidate and boom. There we go. I'm just making sure. So, again, sorry, now it's just the movers just confirming everything with me. Okay. Okay. At least it's sorted, right? There we go. I think that's why I'm having moments today, is because I feel like I could breathe. Ooh. Nice. Look at that. Why did that happen? It's 5 minutes to go still. Well, isn't this interesting? Never mind, that did not respect that order block, I lied. Would that really be an order block? It didn't tag out. Oh, it may have tagged out. Ooh. Just see, Right, I was busy with ES. Having a look-see here. Again, just made sure I got as much as possible in regards to liquidity lines, at least. In back, so just double check like order blocks. Like theoretically, I think this was an order block that I bounced off of here. Anyways. Like it baffles my brain how similar yet different these charts look. Like you can see they're not really the same, but they're not that different either. Ooh, here's some equal lows. Need to redo this one. Equal lows. Awesome sauce. Okay, and then I can just fit right back in there. You can see what's going on over there. Okay, let's sort out this main. Wasn't joking. Look at how much hair is over here. Yeah, don't ask me to do mermaid things. It doesn't work so well. I don't know why. Maybe I just wasn't built to be a mermaid. I say this, but I'm going to the beach. I will be a mermaid. Watch it. Watch me. I will be the coolest mermaid in town. I might not be Ariel, but I'll be cool. And that's what counts, right? I will be... I don't know what I'll be, but... Nah. It's bloody main. You know what? Maybe I should just do the whole dark mode in incognito. Okay. There we go. I don't know when you came to view, but hi, I guess. It's just me Trying to figure out what I want to do with this footy. Anyways, there we go. That's fine. It is what it is. God, I'm talking so much shit and we haven't even started properly. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Here's some hoys that I have not near. Technically. Oof, what I haven't done. This is now actually the London High. Cool. For now. Anyways, but let's see. Is there London Low? There it is. Yeah. London Low. Let's just do the same thing on ES quickly. Same thing with Asia. Oop, that's not correct. Now it is. Asia Low. Right here. Okay. Asia High was already taken, so that's why I'm not marking that. Just in case for my millions of viewers, if they were wondering. Because I know you guys are super inquisitive. I joke because I can, okay? Okay. Same here. Let's make this London High. Cool, okay. Maybe not. Don't know what's happening now. Is it half past? Oh shit, it is. Guys, it's half past. Everyone pay attention. Oh, London High's taken on. Micros, never mind. Gone and gone. Gone. Well, this is a fuck you candle if I've ever seen one. Jeez. Holy... Just shrink this so we can see what the hell's going on here. Holy crap. How big is this candle? Literally, how big is this? Nope, that would be help if I wasn't a fucking idiot. $37. No, 10. No, 37. What? Cool, yeah. So I can't trade until this stops being so volatile. Oh, there were those equal lows that it took. I thought so. Okay, well, while it's... Nope, go back. Okay, while it's having its moment, let me go this way and find... No, never mind. This is the London Low here for ES. Excellent. Jess? Jess, where's the Asia Low? Oh, the Asia Low is also equal lows. Noted. Which means there is a lot of liquidity going down there. Okay, let's see. Anyways, cool, that was funsies to watch. Now we wait for it to do number one. Stop being so volatile because hell no. Number two, we wait for it to consolidate, and I think that deserves a special little consolidation song. I hope you guys agree, because no. I'm gonna listen to my consolidation song before I take these away. I guess they could stay in now. Okay. Anyway. Are we ready? No. Yes. Oh, I have hiccups. I'm so sorry.
The charts are wild, they rise and fall. I trace the patterns on my wall. Fingers crossed as numbers fade. Every move a game I played. Now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate. Candle flickers green to red. In this race we forge ahead. Sleepless nights with price debates. Dreams are built as timing waits. Now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate. When the peaks seem far to climb and the dips distort the time, hope is woven through the fray. Steady hands shall pave the way. And now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate.
Franks! Oh my god! It's Franks. Hi, Franks! I was not paying attention. I'm so sorry. Can you can you see? I'm like long gone. Oh my god! Wait, now I have to take this away. I was busy jamming. How are you doing, Franks? Oh my god! How have you been? It's been crazy. What have you been up to? I know, right? Exciting slash absolutely terrifying. Sorry, I like threw my headphones. Yeah. I know, this is hectic. This candle in particular. Look at this monster. My gosh. But anyways, how has your trading been going? How's it been going for you? Yeah, I'm super excited about this. This is gonna be so much fun to trade. I have missed it so much. I don't think you quite realize how much fun you have doing this until you don't do it for a while. Ah, but now I'm back and I'm pretty happy. How's it been going for you? Because now, like I said, sorry that I was being so quiet. I was listening to my consolidation song. I don't think it's gonna consolidate anytime soon though. To be fair. Yes. And then sometimes you think you know something. And then, you know, the charts love to prove you wrong. So to be fair, yesterday was actually a pretty decent day until it got a little bit stale. I say stale, it wasn't stale. It just had a little bit of a meh moment, and that's fine. I tested out a strategy and it won, so that was awesome. I missed 2 winning trades and they would have won in 1 candle. I don't know if you want to see that. I could show you if you wanted to while I wait for this to stop being so volatile. But there was literally a trade that if I wasn't such a baby, because I hadn't been live for a while, I was being a little bit cautious. I wasn't trusting my strategy, which is dumb. Never do that. But because of that, literally 1 candle, I would have had 2 wins. I would have gotten $400 in 1 candle. Honestly, probably 1 second, because yesterday was also pretty insane. It would be like pretty stagnant and then all of a sudden these candles would just start shooting. So that was lots of fun actually to trade with. The same, the one that was a win. It kind of dipped in and I was like, I'm not sure, and it just like nearly got bigger than this big fuck you candle over here. It was very impressive. I wonder if I should do a buy stop here. In theory. Like, theoretically. It's just not a very smart trade right now, but I think it's also because if I do this, it looks a little bit better. No, not that. Wrong thing. I messed it up. Let's just see how many contracts this would have been. I'm not going to yet. Like I said, it's a little volatile for me at the moment. Tiny. Just a little. Just a wee bit. Oh, should I? No, too late. Also, it's not really a consolidation there. Oh, thank heavens I was too late. Anyways, out of curiosity, what would it have been? 10. No, see, it's still really low today. I mean, it's better than yesterday. Yesterday I had to throw out like 15 contracts. But, let's see, I'm not gonna place it, but let's see if this would have been a winning trade or not. Franks, I don't know if you've had one of those days where everything is just annoying you. Oh my gosh. Like, my sleeves are annoying me today because they're a little bit too long and then they're getting caught on things and I'm going crazy. There's also no reason for me to be. Yeah. It's just annoying me. That's... I might just take this jacket off. I'm actually cold, but this feels like a little bit more hassle than it's worth. Oh, it would have been a losing trade. Thank heavens I didn't do that. Anyways. Nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Cool. Something here, potentially. And it's a small one. I could give it a try, right? So I'm going to take this off just because... Aren't you just lucky? So, I don't know if you saw, Franks, but I'm moving down to the coast. I think that's why life has been so stressful. So I'm moving down to the coast, where it will be summer all the time. This one can stay in. It's this one that's annoying me because of my mouse. Okay. Do I look stupid? I look a little bit stupid. It's fine. It's okay. You know, we can all look a little bit weird now and then, right? It's fine. While we're waiting, I might just set this one up. Thanks. Thanks, Franks. Appreciate you. No, that's the wrong one. Anyways, as I was saying, I got completely distracted. I'm so sorry. My brain is on a million different frequencies today. It's just one of those days. And what I was going to say is, this might be a dumb one, I'll just set it up to be low. Anyways, what I was going to say before... Give me a minute. Okay, I'm going down to the coast and I'm going to learn how to be a surfer. It has always been on my, I guess, bucket list. Like, I've always wanted to learn how to surf. It's always been the thing that I've wanted to do, or at least give a try, because don't get me wrong, the ocean does kind of terrify me just because we don't know what's going on underneath us, and that is scary. Like, at least when I'm riding horses and things, it's fine, I'll live like this. At least when I'm riding horses, right? I know the thing wants to kill me, but I can see what's going on around me. Like, I'm literally sitting on top of the thing that wants to try and murder me, so it's fine. But with sharks and things, they could come out of nowhere. You don't know where they're coming from. And that is what scares me. Like, I remember one time being down at the ocean, and the fisherman brought up a shark. And it wasn't like it was a little shark, it was actually quite a decent sized shark. And I was just like, how far, how deep were you guys fishing? They're like, nah, just like, say 20 meters, not even 20 meters in. And I was like, oh, cool, so where I was just swimming. That is scary. I don't know if you're scared of the ocean, Franks. Or cautious of it, maybe that's a better word, right? I don't think scared is the appropriate word. I think aware is better. You're aware of what's going on. Oh no, why are we dying down? What happened? It was so exciting and now it's me. How disappointing. Okay. Is there something that happened on ES? No, not really. Apart from that, but that's gone now, so no. And that's also the 1 minute. Cool. Must just be aware of this thing here. If it even goes down. Okay. What time is he speaking? Or just the whole day? It's just gonna be useless. It was stupid volatile now. Stupidly so. You just missed my TED talk. Say TED talk. It was not a TED talk. You just missed my rant. Okay. Let's see if there's any trade that pops up. If not, I guess then it is what it is. Oh, I see, it's already started. I don't like it when it's like this, but anyways. I don't think it will end up going back down here. But I guess... How's that? Can you see nicely? Anyways, as I was saying, you missed my TED talk on... Give my brain a second. Oh, that... Thanks. Huh, nice. Basically. Ooh, wait, look at this. Haha. No, never mind. Less haha. Didn't go that far. Oh, there we go. It really does love to do the opposite of what I say sometimes. It's bloody rude, but anyways. It's not a great one. Could risk it and make it. I mean, it's a thought, right? I even set this one up here in case. Yes, no, maybe? What do you think? There's a potential. There's this one here. I think it was a nice one on the 3-minute. I could stand to be corrected, but let me know it's a decent looking order block. Give that a try. And it's getting cold now. It's fine. I'll shiver through it. Oh, I didn't finish my story. Basically, how things are just a little bit annoying today. So the jacket that I had on, the sleeves are too long and they kept getting caught, and I wanted to murder someone just because the sleeves kept getting caught and things. Yeah. Basically a very big overreaction for no really good reason. But anyways. Oh, sure. Yeah. Yeah. But it's fine. Really? Dangerous woman, yes. You should fear me. No, I'm joking. I am as cuddly as a teddy bear? Teddy bears are cuddly, right? Yeah. Basically, I'm as harmless as a little baby squirrel. I'm not gonna do much. I might scream and make noise, but you know. That's about it. He's 10 points away from all-time high. Really? That's flipping cool. Oh my gosh, we're melting properly. Do you think this is a good trade or a bad idea? There is an order block on the 3-minute here. Should I give it a try? If I do this. Don't want that. 15? 16. Ooh, 16 is 200 on the dot. Is it a bad one? Good one? Maybe? Maybe just make it a lower one in case it's not great. So I don't lose as much. No? Never mind, I'm too late, and it would have been a... I'm too late, damn it. I was right about it being... It would have been a bloody successful one. I can't believe I did it again. This is what happened yesterday. To be fair, I did not think it would melt this bloody quickly. Anyways, that order block's been taken. Shit. It would have been a good one. Damn it! Okay, well, that order block's been taken. Cool. Yeah, noted. Here's another one. Shit, what's going on today? This is crazy. Okay, I must not... Yep, I must not doubt my strategy. I think that's the problem. I doubted it for a second there. Stupid. Don't do that. Let's see what happens. I again have songs stuck in my head that I know that I cannot sing because I think YouTube will be upsetty spaghetti if I did that. Oh well. I'll make one for here later. This is a teeny tiny one though, but I guess, yeah, who cares, right? Fuck it, let's try. For a long position, I'm gonna make it a bar above. There. One to one. Yes, it's teeny tiny. Okay, I'll make it 20. 20 is a good one. Let's see if it goes into it. But there's that one. Ooh, it's not really consolidating. I was gonna say it's consolidating. 'Tis not. I got overly excited for no reason. I wonder if it's gonna keep going. Because that was a major melt. Ooh, we're going back up. Okay. Let's do this. We're trying things today. Maybe not trying things, but we're testing things today, kind of. We are forward testing things. We are live testing things. Is that a bit big? Technically, I'm kind of just above halved it with 3. Okay, let's try. Let's try. I will not miss it again. Screw it. 10. Now let's try 12. I'm a little less confident with this one, but let's see. Let's see how this does. If it even goes all the way up. Okay. I can't believe I did that. Oh well, you know, mistakes. Oh, shit happens, right? Oh, it's gonna melt again. Oh shit. So basically, that's not big enough. So wait, is this fine? Or should I make it bigger? Do you think it's fine? Regardless, we are consolidating a little bit here. It looks like chaos on the screen right now, doesn't it? It kind of feels like chaos. Wait, should I make it bigger or should I leave it as it is? Biono. No, too late. Okay, make it a 5-minute. Yes. Oh, fuck, I'm gonna be too late. 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 Shit. Am I too late? Did it happen down here? Should have happened down there, didn't it? All the way up there. Okay, no, it's too late. It's fine. That freaked me out. Oh my god, yeah. So this massive thing here. Nope, that's a little bit... Okay. Basically, wanted it there. That. No. Wrong thing. Can always make it a short position. Let's see. Okay. Let's make it a stop limit then. Okay. 4. Excellent. Okay, well, we're in. Let's see. There we go. Then we can all see what's going on. Is this a thingy? No, not a thingy. Here's a thingy, though. Wait, wouldn't this do something? Haven't even been paying attention here. Maybe focus here. Okay. Okay, there we go. Well, we're in this now. Do not stress, do not stress, do not stress. Okay, so I wouldn't have gotten in with that one if I had put it there. Okay. Let's see what it does. I can't look away. I'm stressed. Yeah, shit. I think it's gonna climb again. I think it did its bounce. Oh, maybe not. I promise you this, it loves fucking with me, which is rude. Okay, cool. Exit. Close. Done. Oh, watch it. If I had waited 2 seconds, 2 seconds more, it would have gone further down. Okay, it's fine. You know what? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna get grumpy, but let's see what this does. Is this a little auto block going on here? Shall we see? Okay, definitely not on the 2 minute. The 5 minute? Not really, huh? Oh, that was that auto block, yeah. But it did go in, and now it's bouncing down. Do you think it will bounce off of this? Not really. Frick. Don't mind me. I'm just having a little mini sulk over here. It's what I do best. What did it look like on the 2 minutes? I did look, hey. Oh. Does not look great on the 2 minute. So this would not be one. Would be one. Look at it go. Well, that was a bunch of shit. Oh, look at that. It's bouncing back up. If I had put that order in, You know what? Maybe I'm done for the day. Maybe I'm done for the day. Because what the fuck? Ah! Okay. This would have been a win. I would have had one earlier, but I was too late. I would have had one now. Hi! Welcome! Don't mind me, you've come at a moment of me having a mini moment. Yeah. It's fine. It's okay. There it goes. You know what? I would be mean, but it's fine. I won't be mean. It's okay. I mean, technically one break even if we want to be those guys. Because I was a dumbass. Yeah, that was the... It was O for O, but... One break even, which basically means nothing. That's fine. That's fine. It's okay. It's not okay, but it's fine. I'll get over it. Eventually. Oh, that was it. There was an order block here that I missed. There was this one now. Thank you. Bye. Enjoy. Have fun. Doing whatever it is you're doing. Okay, are we consolidating? Not really. But now the question is, if it does consolidate, are we going to have a little jump back up? Is this a little order block happening here? It might be. Can I redeem myself? No, not there. No, apparently not. I mean, it's not a very nice one. Where would it have been with the 2-minute? I guess around here. It's not a very nice one, is it? I'm doing this more out of curiosity now. Oh, I haven't even marked off anything going on ES. I should maybe also do that. You know, just maybe keep track of what's going on. And there we go. I had bounced off of this order block on ES. There's another one further down that it's probably going to be reaching for. Haha. It's fine. It is what it is. You live and you learn, right, Franks? You just figure one thing out at a time? Part of the fun of streaming? Okay, well that didn't happen. But then was it really one? Okay, it's fine. Okay. Can we stop doing that? I'm back tomorrow. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow. Where are you going, Franks? Yeah, I'm definitely back tomorrow. Don't worry. So you'll see me here tomorrow. Okay. Oh, okay. Love you. Bye. I'll see you tomorrow. Small drive. Have fun. Enjoy. Be safe. Always be safe. But I'll see you back here tomorrow, okay? Mwah. Okay. And let's see. Hopefully we're winning. Yeah. Hopefully. Let's see what happens. Oh, I see we are... messing around a little bit now. Ooh, do you think it's gonna dive again after this? Do you think it's gonna consolidate and then just melt back down? Because I'm reluctant to put it here. For that fact of the order block being there. Which it just tapped into. Do you think it's gonna go down now? Or is it just gonna disrespect it? Because it's not a very nice order block. That sounds mean, but... It's a bit of a big one, right? If it was a bit smaller, I would feel a bit more comfortable with it. No ways. You have actually got to be shitting me. Would this have won? I'd put it just there. And up. Oh my god! I think I need to just go cry. I need to... That is the third winning trade lost. Well, not lost, just that I didn't take. Oh my god, I'm so angry right now. Okay. Cool, well that order block's been taken. That's cool. Cool. Maybe let's not miss this one. I know it's tiny, but I don't care. Ok. There we go. You go there and you stay there and you behave. And hopefully that's the right bloody order block. I cannot believe it. Ah, moron. Me, I'm a moron. It's fine. Let me just double check this one before I make a mistake. Yeah, so I did... Which one was it? Was it 3 minute? 2 minute? Yeah, the 3 minute was quite nice. I did it based off of 3. What does it look like in 5? In 5, okay. No, see, it's not a bad one. It's not a great one either. This one's nice. This one's very nice. That one's a bit more wishful thinking. Oh, I guess we're about to find out here. And you know what's annoying? Like, yesterday I had a mistrade that I wasn't mad about because I had sound logic for not taking it. Today, though, I do not. I'm just being a big baby, which is very annoying. Sorry, I'm on a rant today. It's fine. You win some, you lose some. I get it. You just don't lose some if you don't take any, but you also don't win some if you don't take any. And I've just been a bit of a baby brat today. Okay. Hi, if you're welcome. Well, hi if you're welcome. You are definitely welcome. I meant to say, hi, welcome. If you have just joined and I'm having a little rant, it's because I'm just having one of those days. Buckle up, Buttercup, because today might be the day that you see someone crying on live stream because, oh my god. It is indeed just one of those days. Okay. Let's see what happens now. Yeah. I gotta breathe. I gotta remember to breathe. And not throw... Don't throw shit. Throwing shit is bad. Part of me wants to. I could throw my little teddy bear. And just yeet him at the wall. If I miss one again, I'm yeeting it at the wall. I mean, it's not going to do any damage, but still, you know, it might make me feel better, and that's what's important, right? Okay. So, let's have a quick look-see. I don't think it's going to consolidate, but that's purely just me being a judgy. It did take this, hey? Yeah, no, yes. That was the one I didn't take. Right? Yes, no, what? No, that was the one I didn't take. So if this one... If this one loses, I might actually just call it a day because I need to go and cry and scream into a pillow. But that's okay. Let's see what happens next. Except the fact that it's bouncing around makes me think that it's boinked into one already and I didn't look far enough. First of all, I definitely do cry. Like a little baby. So, hi, Dr. M. Hello, welcome, welcome. Welcome to the chaos that is Maya. Yeah, that's me, I'm Maya. It's very chaotic here. The fact that it's doing this makes me think that I missed something. Which makes me doubt this. But I'm not gonna do that again because... Oh my gosh, I did it too many times. It hasn't hit it there though. Maybe it has. You know what? It's a little loss. If it's a little loss, it's fine. Point is, at least I tried and took it. That's what I'm going with. Just go with it. Oh, that makes sense. Okay. That would explain this chaos. But anyways, while we're waiting for that, and while I'm ignoring whatever's going on over there. You think so? Okay. Okay, so there's not one there. Oh. That. There's this massive one. That's not a very good one, though. Oh my gosh. Okay, so... there is just literal chaos going on at the moment. Cool. Amazing. Amazing. That's what we love to see. All the chaos happening everywhere. So let's wait to see what happens next then. Yeah, that one was taken. At least I know that much. I do know that much. Oh, okay. Bye, bud. I'm gonna keep that there in case, though. At least I can breathe again a little bit. So, Trump's also speaking. Let's have a look, see what happens then today. So, Dr. M, is that still you watching? Let me know. Don't know if you give a shit about what's going on here, but I can tell you what happened here. It was very annoying. Anyways, that's why I'm gonna have a moment today, and it's fine. Life is chaotic. A little bit like trading. Trading is just organized chaos. It's probably why I enjoy it so much. And it's calculated chaos. Maybe that's a better word. Trading is calculated chaos. And sometimes your calculations are not correct. Okay. And sometimes they are. So I know the screen also probably just looks like absolute chaos at the moment here. Yep. No, Dr. M left. Oh well, that's fine. Da, 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 da. Oh, that's why it's now just messing around here. It's not really worth putting any trades in if they're busy talking. Do you know what time they finish talking? Are they done soon-ish? And will it actually improve after that, or is it just gonna be shit the rest of the day? I say shit, I would have been on... Oh, what's that? 4? I missed... Definitely 1, 2, 3. I would have been on 3 wins already. It's fine. It's fine, right? Also, I'm trying to decide if I'm taking offense at... What did he say? Big girls, they don't cry. I don't know what he meant by that. Did he mean fat? Because that's rude. Flip. If you mean grown up, then you are also very, very wrong. Because we cry all the time. So I'm trying to decide how I'm feeling right now. That's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I mean, at least we're up. $20. It's not a lot, I know, but it's something, right? It's better than nothing. Ooh, I wonder if this is gonna climb properly and be a very nice doji. Ooh, part of me wants it to. That'll be a very nice order block. But oh, you can see they're speaking. Look how small it's gotten now. It's basically not worth putting any orders in, right? At this point. I want to see if I'm right with regards to this one. Let me see. 2 minutes? Five minutes? Maybe a little bit bigger, but yes. It's a pretty decent one. It still didn't tap into it though. Or was it this? Oh. Was that the order block? Ah. In which case it has. Never mind. Oh, pooey. Okay, that's why I did that. So then, no. Oh, but then on the one, it doesn't. Whatever, whatever, whatever. Okay. So it's not really worth it. Let's reset that view. Put it back there, where it belongs. Okay. Then that one's pretty null and void. Null and void, is that... That's a thing, right? Hi to whoever's watching. Sorry, it's not very entertaining at the moment because Trump and Powell are busy talking, so there's not much going on. I say that, I could have had 3 wins, and yet here we are. And I know that everyone has probably heard this 50 times. I'm just really upset about it. Okay. I feel like this is just proof that you just shouldn't doubt your strategy. But at the same time, on days where you're so confident about your strategy, the market decides that it's going to be the day that it knocks you down for being too cocky. So it's very annoying. I would say it feels like you never win, but you do. You do, right? Theoretically, I got $20. I know that's like not much, but fine. Like I said, sorry, not much going on at the moment. Wait. Something's happening. Things are going on. I take it back. Well, at least for a second there. Let's see if it continues. Because if it does, here's a pretty decent one. Well, it's an okay one, but you get what I mean. No, maybe not. Climbing back up? Yeah, never mind. Climbing back up. It was a little bit of nice momentum while it lasted for 1 minute. Not even, it was like 30 seconds, half of the minute. It looked like there was some momentum going down, and then it just decided, nope, maybe not, and that's fine. If you don't mind asking, who's watching right now? I just saw that I was sitting like an idiot, but that's fine. Give me a second, it's just my coach messaging me. Around here. Just here. Or did I just miss it? I think I just missed it. Shit. No, I did not miss it. Why does my chart not look like that? No, that's why. That would be why. Ah, okay, cool. There. Okay. Let's do it. Stop it there. Good. Did I not take it there with that blue one? Am I too late? Is it fine? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Wrong? Why? Four, 5, 8, 0. Oh, you're right. I'm confused. Oh, that way. 4580 here. that white one. There we go. That's why I was being a chop. A few points above. There. There. Good. Oh, let me take it. Six is good. Oh, you're on NASDAQ. No, but I'm on NASDAQ. Anyways. Okay, let's see what happens. Hi. Welcome. Tony's busy watching me try to figure out what the fuck's going on, but hi. I go down a bit and then go up. Let's see what he says. Okay. Okay means it's okay. So we'll go with it. I'm gonna go back to the 1 minute though. Now that this is set, that's fine. Let's go have a look-see. There. Okay. Fine. Okay, let's see what happens if it reaches down all the way or not. Was this an order block? This here. Not a great one, but I don't know. Was it? Like I said, definitely not a great one, but if it was, damn. I missed it. Okay. And now we wait. Okay. Let's see if it goes down that far. I'm curious. I'm curious to see if we end up going down that far or not. Or if it kind of stays here. So there's some liquidity. This was technically an order block. A rather large one, but I mean, had quite a major little jumpy jump over there, so it's a good day for order blocks, actually. Speaking of. Nope, not you. Okay. Wow, this really is a wait around and see what happens type of day, hey? I guess that's fine, right? We can still mess around. I say mess around. Let's not use the words mess around when it comes to trading. Not a good idea. Let's not do that. Ooh. Got the chills? You know what that means? Absolutely nothing. Does this count as consolidating? I mean, theoretically, this whole bloody thing's consolidating, huh? wonder if it's gonna start melting now. Ooh, here we go. Nope. Here we don't go. Ooh, here we go. No. Well, still nothing really going on. Let's see. I'm gonna put a trade in just because of the fact. Damn, I should have put a trade. Well, have they finished talking? Is this why it's jumping around so much? No? Do you know? Is this what's happening? Okay, well. It appears to be one of those days. Do we have some momentum finally? Not really. I guess we now just wait and see. Well, this really is a dull-dud day. No offense. But, yeah, there's not much. Oh well. I guess we wait for some momentum to start happening. Because now it's going back down. Which means that trade would have been... Wait. Maybe this would have been a winning trade if I made it bullish. I'm just watching now to see. Maybe not. Oh, it is getting chilly again. Yeah. Okay. Hopefully the sleeves don't annoy me, or else it's coming off again. Because, oh my gosh. But it is nice and cold, so it's fine. If the sleeves start to annoy me again, it's coming off. It's so annoying. But it's also so warm, so I mean... I guess you can't have it all. Like that. That would have been a losing trade if I'd put like... If I had placed that. Maybe I need to start, like, practicing how to speak English like a normal human being. Honestly. Anyways. Wow! There's nothing going on. Well, again, I say that if I'd stuck with my strategy, there would have been something going on today. Okay, you know what? Screw it. Do you know what we're doing? Because we're waiting for this to stop. It's rubbish. We are listening to the consolidation song. Oh, maybe that's what we should do. Maybe. Do you know what? Maybe we should... Okay. There we go. Okay. Maybe we should actually... make some more trading music so that we don't only have our consolidation song. I think that's a fun idea. I just forgot what website to use. What website did you use? Because then I can make another trading song, and I think that'll be very cool. Let's see. So while we wait for any hint of momentum, we're gonna listen to this.
The charts are wild, they rise and fall. I trace the patterns on my wall. Fingers crossed as numbers fade. Every move a game I play. Now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate.
Hi guys.
Candle flickers green to red.
Enjoy my song.
In this race we
It's not me singing, just in case.
Sleepless nights with price debates. Dreams are built as
My voice could never sound this sexy, just saying.
Now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate.
Do we have some momentum? Is it happening?
When the peaks seem
not really.
far to climb, and the dips distort the time. Hope is woven through the fray. Steady hands shall pave the way.
There we go. Let's see what happens.
Now we wait until we consolidate. Hold our breath while the market's late. Patience builds the fortune gate. Now we wait until we consolidate.
Oh, I have not been marking anything. Maybe do that. Honestly. Be better, Maya, damn.
When the peaks seem far to climb, and the dips distort the time. Hope is woven through the fray. Steady hands shall pave the way.
Okay. Bam. Jams. Okay. So what I actually got excited about, sorry, this is the nerdiness coming through. If you wait 5 seconds, I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm just gonna mute. Okay, I'm back. So, number one, I gotta get my blankie because I'm a baby and it's cold. Okay, number two, get the hair out of the way. Okay, now, number three, are you ready? So this is, again, I'm so sorry, this is like nerd alert, but it's what we do, right? We all like numbers and cool things. Why we trade, I assume. I hope. So, I got a new pair of dice. Don't know if you can see that. How awesome. And for anyone who knows anything about this, this is Liquid Core, which is so cool. Oh, you can't even see the eye because it faces upwards. No, can you? No, not really. It's basically like a dragon eye. sorry, that's me nerding out. How flipping cool is this? With all of them, all 7 of them. They are very sharp though. I don't mind it. I know some people hate it when they have sharp edges. I don't know if you can see the sharp edges. You can kind of see, right? Yeah, you can kind of see the sharp edges. Ooh, ignore my hands, I'm so sorry. What happens when you deal with horses on a daily? The horses can be a lot to a lot to deal with sometimes. And yeah, anyway. How flipping cool. Sorry, I had to nerd out a little bit. I had to seize the opportunity to brag about my dice. Because they are so flipping cool. But oh my gosh, do we have momentum? Did I leave for 5 seconds and come back to something good? Please, yes! Here we go, boys! And girls. And girls? Maybe girls. That was very, very rude of me, but anyways. Woohoo! Here we go. Sure, that is climbing. Properly on ES. You can see it on ES. Check it pumping on ES. Here we go. Okay. We have some momentum. No? Yes, no. What the hell? See if it keeps pushing. Maybe not. Aha. I must just shut up. Every time I say something, it does the opposite of what I want, and that's fine, right? That's okay. Let me just double check here. Okay. Okay. Got that order placed for if it decides it's going to melt again, or is it just going to keep pumping for a record high? Ooh, taking the high on ES. Nice. I'm so sorry. I have so many hiccups today. It's fine. Right? It's fine. It's fine. Let's see what happens now. Okay, we're going. We're reaching. Oh my god, we finally have momentum! Yes! We are going! Here we go, people! Sorry, I'm getting overly excited about this. We got something. And now the other person's gone. How rude. Anyways. Now that no one's watching for 5 seconds, let's see. Okay. Five, 3, 5. So it is around there. Okay, cool. Let's do that. Yeah, in line with the bottom one. And all the way past the top one? No. Oh, the stop order will be past the top one. Got it. Yeah, around there, huh? Cool. Just past that liquidity. Few points below. Should I put it near the liquid? You have it at 3.5. Around 3.5. You put it in between. There. Okay. Stop just above. And make it 1. Oh man, I missed this order block here. Damn it. Was that the order block? I didn't even see it. It's fine. Okay. Hi, I'm so sorry I'm on my phone. I promise I'm just discussing with my coach in case I seem rude. I'm so sorry. Okay. Let's see. Placing it for here. I don't know if that's too big. I mean, it's safe. It's a very safe one. Here we go. Oh, finally some momentum. Here we go. Okay. This is so exciting. It was super boring earlier, but here we are. Well, I guess let's see what this does. But that one's there. This one's set for in case. There's no auto blocks here that I can see. Anyways. Awesome. Let's place it. Yeah, 7's closer. Okay, we got 2 orders in now. Literal opposing orders. Let's see if this reaches all the way down, and let's see if that reaches all the way up. Let's do this. I'm quite excited. Let's see what happens. What am I doing? Marking things. That's what I'm doing. Oh yes, that did that even take it? No, that's more like an equal high. Right? Yeah. Oh, I would guess I would count that as an equal high. Okay. Now, how's that look? Is that too far out? No, I guess you can see all the chaos going on with this bloody screen. It looks very chaotic at the moment. Oh well. Oh well. I guess it's part of the fun that is trading. Welcome to my channel. Sorry, I was actually looking as you popped up. Sorry, I'm not being weird. I'm always a little bit weird, so I guess it's part of the fun, right? Let's see if we can roll for being weird. Let's let the dice gods decide if I'm weird. So in case you missed it, my nerdiness has come out, so we're all going with it. Perfect. So, oh, I guess you guys can't see what I'm rolling though. You guys are just gonna have to trust me. Sorry. Just trust in me. Let's see. Am I weird? Odds? No. Even yes. Well, damn it. 12. Oh well. Guess I'm weird. And you know what? I'm so happy with being weird. I will take being weird over being boring any day. I guess it's part of being a trading nerdy horse rider. Do those 3 things even make sense in a sentence? I guess they must, but you know, as a human being, how would you imagine? And don't say me because duh. But how would you picture a trading nerdy horse rider? Oh, and gym instructor. I guess voila, you know. Mentally, okay. And talk a lot of rubbish, I'm so sorry. But you know what? At least we have fun here. I could be talking rubbish, but we're having fun, and that's what's important, right? No? No? Okay. Okay. Let's see what happens next. Very average stuff going on right now. I say that. There's actually proper momentum happening at the moment, which is super exciting. Is it gonna keep melting though? Ooh, maybe it is. Is it gonna reach all the way down? Come on. Push, 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 push. Ooh, there was a massive candle over here. Ew. yeah, I think it's going to keep going short. If you have a look on ES, there's that fair value gap, and I think it's respecting it quite nicely. I mean, it's the same here. ES obviously just pushes Nasdaq, so let's see. Is that too zoomed out? Can you see what's going on? As long as we all happiness. There we go. Maybe that's better. Don't have to squint at the screen to see what's happening. Haha. Can see my break even. That should have been a win. That was frustrating, to say the least. Luckily, we don't have my... No, wrong thing. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I must maybe stop accidentally clicking things. Just sit still. Just sit still. And don't push things around. Trading takes patience, right? It's all about the psychology. You have to trust in your trades, which I did not do today, which is my mistake. So, for those of you who have just joined, and by those of you I mean hi. Hello. I literally missed 3 winning trades today. Not a great feeling to miss those, but like I said, trading is a bunch, well, has a lot to do with psychology, and unfortunately, I didn't trust my strategy. What do I get for that? Yeah. Disappointment, that's what you get for that. And you feel really dumb. Like, if you make a trade, I guess make a trade works, but anyways, if you set up a trade and you have your sound logic and you have your strategy and you stuck to it and it loses, it doesn't feel so bad. If you set up a trade that you're not following any strategy and you're just willy-nilly hoping and it loses, then you can feel like an idiot. But well, at least I do. And I have done those before where I thought I was being clever. I didn't follow any strategy, I just kind of went for it and it lost, and that sucked. Like I said, I guess at least if you're following something, you can at least say, you know, you didn't put emotion into it, you didn't jump into it, you just trusted your strategy. And sometimes, I say sometimes, pretty often, this doesn't always follow its trend. Mostly does its own thing. Speaking of, we did have a little bit of a break in structure over there. Haha, so we are going to start melting now. Nice. A little bit of one. But yesterday and today, it seems to be following... maybe not. There it wasn't great. And there it broke structure. And now we're going. And there was a bit of a break. Okay. Let's see what happens. One of these, theoretically, should get tagged in. One. Oh, hi guys. Welcome. I am Maya. Hope you enjoy the chaos that is me. It's a lot, but yeah, you get used to it. You come to love and accept it. I think accept is the right word here. Appreciate, maybe. But how's everyone's day going? Mine's been absolutely chaotic. Oh, no one left. Oh well, it's fine. Just leave me. How rude. It's okay, I'll sit here and sulk. Oh well. Moving on. Sulking over. No one wants to talk to me today. I mean, Franks did, but Franks has now left. Oh well. Oh well. I guess it's just one of those days. No one wants to be nice to me. Let's see now where this goes. You can't hear the chaos going on in the background, right? Can you? There's a lot of chaos going on in this complex. Thank heavens I'm moving soon. Basically a month to go. Wow. Where are we? The 25th. Okay, so basically a month. And then I'm moving. It's a little bit scary, but you know, it's gonna be fun. It's always an adventure. And then I am theoretically, God, English, unemployed, and this is gonna be my life. This is why I've been practicing for the past few months. Am I super successful? No, but I'm getting there, right? You can't expect hectic things. As long as you're in the green, and I am in the green, so we're winning. I remember my first month trading. Yeah, that was not okay. it was not okay. That first month trading was horrendous. The mistakes I made in my first month trading, like looking back, it's actually embarrassing. But I say that, I guess you have to kind of make mistakes to learn. It's just so costly. And I don't know if it's just me, but live trading compared to back testing, oh my gosh, it's such a different ball game. I actually have no words for the, I guess you could say adrenaline. Adrenaline's a good shout for what this is. The adrenaline you experience trading live is pretty hectic. So yeah, I don't know if it's only me, but that adrenaline I experience while I'm trading is, I want to say terrifying, but I don't know if terrifying is the right word. It's thrilling, which is probably why I miss this so much if I don't trade. So this is technically my second day back. I missed basically 2 weeks. Was it 2 weeks? It was 2 weeks. It was not fun. But I missed basically 2 weeks because I had to go down to the coast to find a new place to live. I'm moving all the way down there. But yes, 2 weeks because there was a long holiday down here in South Africa, and I seized the opportunity and took 2 days leave and went down. And I missed it. And so yesterday was my first proper day back. Oh my gosh. I felt like it was my first day trading. It was absolutely terrifying. It's also probably why I'm missing a bunch of trades today. Like, I'm second guessing everything. I've like completely lost my confidence. I say confidence, maybe not confidence. That's fine. Let's call it confidence. Completely lost my confidence. I'd sit there being like, this is a good trade, but is it a good trade? And then I would lose it. I literally could have had 2 winning trades in 1 candle. But I questioned it and I was too late. Earlier, same thing. There was a trade and I was like, okay, let's do it. And I second guessed it and then I was too late, and bada bing, bada boom, I did not get it. That sucked quite a bit. Same thing here with this break even. So you see I got tagged in here. It kind of messed around, and on this candle here, the third candle, just when it got to around here, because there wasn't enough momentum on that melt, I thought, let's rather keep it at a break even instead of a loss, and I cancelled. And then, you know, true as Bob, check what happened. It went down and would have been a winning trade. So that's why I've now placed these 2 trades and I'm waiting now. And I will only move to break even when it kind of gets to midpoint. It will. When it gets to midpoint, I will then only move to break even. There we go, if that would allow me. There we go. Let's see if it melts all the way down there though. Oh, maybe it will. Here it goes. Do we have some momentum finally? Okay, let's see what happens. Ah, when I'm down at the coast, I can say some cool things. Like, I can surf waves like I'm surfing these trend lines. That wasn't cool at all, was it? I'm so sorry. I like to believe I can be cool. And so, not even close. I am probably the nerdiest, lamest person in the world. I can't believe I just said that. I'm embarrassed for me. I don't even want to know how you guys feel right now. Oh my gosh, that was so bad. I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, it didn't tag me. No. It didn't tag me in. Man, look at that! It missed me by a point! Let's see if it goes back down to tag me in. I know, it's because it took these two... No, check. Yeah. Oh no, wait, that one was already taken. Never mind, ignore me. It took these two lows on ES. No! Let me ask my friend if he got tagged in. Shit, I think that's a missed one. That literally missed by a point. This is the day of could haves or should haves. If it actually goes up now, if it goes up now, because there it would have tagged me in. No, it looks like it's melting now. Okay, good. Ah, my gosh. This is like the 4th trade today. Do the markets just not want me to get a trade in today? Is this what's going on? Is it no? And look at it going. Okay, well, took that liquidity. You son of a bee. I didn't finish the word, I just said son of a bee. Aha, you thought I swore. I did not. I am a... I was gonna say I'm a good saintly person, but me. Am I? This or this? Let's look on the 5. Ooh, no, there it is. There it is. Is it gonna go back up that high though? I'm not gonna miss a bloody trade again. Let's do this. Let's be quick. 2 points below. Yeah, let's make it around that one. Cool. But there's a stupid line there. Put it for there, around there. There's one. Should I make it a tiny bit bigger? Tiny bit. There we go. Either way, it's 200. I'm gonna make it around 200. So either way, same amount. Let's do this. Yeah, that's closer to 200. Aha! Watch it not get there now. Did it keep climbing? Are you joking? Would it have actually Actually, don't even want to know. I'm not even going to set it up again. I don't want to know. I don't want to know if that could have been a winning trade because that would make me grumpy. Okay, going for the equal lows on ES. Let's see what happens. Should I put a sell stop now? Too late. Should I put a sell stop? Is that a bad idea? Maybe I should. No, but then I'm not following anything. Then I'm just being risky. Don't do that. Maya, don't do it. Do not let emotion get in your way. I'm talking to myself. I'm trying to remind myself that that's a bad idea. Do not do it. Let's see. Was there a... Oh no, here's a fair value gap. I was gonna say, I was like, oh, I'm pretty sure there has not been a fair value gap. In theory, no, okay, but they're respected. Uh-huh. Are we climbing? Are we going to tag me in? Are we doing this? Because there was a very nice break in structure now. Took that. There's a high there. I mean, here's a little bit of liquidity. I guess I can mark it. It's a little bit. Not much. But I guess liquidity is liquidity. I don't know how much is sitting there. I'm not a broker. I'm just little old me. Okay. It's kind of consolidating again a bit, isn't it? Did Trump say something bad to make the market start dumping? I say dumping. Melting. Melting sounds better. Dumping is not a great word. Okay. I'm waiting to see if this becomes something good. Potentially. Is it gonna melt now? I guess there's too many fair value gaps going on here. Oh, here we go. Damn. Here we go. Oh, I see. It was a small one on ES. It just always looks bigger on micros. Or I guess that's why we have ES up here, hey? Just to watch. Watch what's going on. Don't mess with things now, leave it. I don't want to jinx it, but something is working pretty decently today. After I restarted it. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to jinx it though. I'm gonna stop talking at that. I don't know, there's the London low sitting here on ES. I wonder if it's gonna reach for that and some equal lows and Asia low. This is quite a big drop it's done today. Wow, okay. There's this here. Should I do it? I feel like I need to do it. How's it look on ES? No, come. Come, ES. Doesn't really look like one on ES though. Oh, wait, I just went too far like a numpty. Not really. It's not really on ES. Maybe it's not the best idea then. Just don't mind me. I'm just over here making motorcar noises. What do we want? Fast cars! When do we want them? A little bit of humor to make the time go by. Oop, too late. Or not poop. I'm waiting to see if that was a little auto block, if it respects it or not. Doesn't it? We shall see. Okay. Nah. Would have disrespected it. Watch it melt now, just because I said that. Just because I said that. And just because I didn't place it either. It's melting bloody nicely on ES. Oh my gosh. What is wrong with me today? That is like the 5th trade that I've missed. Seriously? I guess we all have days, right? It's just very frustrating. Oh well. I know we all have days, doesn't mean it doesn't suck. Right? How's that? There we go, that's better. Oh well. I actually cannot. How would this have looked? I would have done this. Made it a limit. Put it there. And there. Well, it would have been at break even at least. So I probably would have gotten a break even. Yeah. Let's see what I would have done. I actually cannot believe it. Okay, I think that would have been a break-even one. That makes me feel, I'd say a little bit better. Break-even's still better than nothing. It's fine. Really. I'm gonna be sneaky quickly. BRB. I hope this doesn't mess with anything. I'm so sorry if it does. If I go blurry, I'm so sorry. Okay. We are still... What? What? Sorry, I'm so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, cool. Can't believe it. Guys, we're getting there. We are getting there. This is not going very fast, but it's fine. We will get there in the end. I don't know what that was, but I sang it, so it's fine. Should I try this one? You regret the ones you don't take. I mean, that's just a little bit of a lie. You regret the ones that you do take and then lose. But I guess you regret the ones that you could have taken and then would have won, because theoretically this is that one. It would have been a... Okay, no, it would have been a break even. Theoretically, it would have been a win if I didn't move it to break even. Or if I hadn't have moved it to... I didn't move it to break even. Point is, I didn't put the bloody trade in. That's the point. I'm having just one of those days. And I'm gonna rage about it. Okay. It does appear to be one of those days. Hi, new watcher. Hi. If you are entertained by my grumpiness, I'm so sorry. So, in case you're wondering if you are interested, if you are, pop a little thumbs up in the comments. I always love to know who's watching, because it makes me feel better to know I'm not sitting here alone, all sad and grumpy by myself, because of the fact that I literally have missed, let's say, 5 winning trades today. I cannot believe it. Wow, and then he left. I would. Oh well. Okay, you know what? Because yeah. Wow, this is super slow. Okay, do you know what I am gonna do? Let's do this. Just there. Just there. It's actually quite a nice one. I like this one. Let's do this. we seem to be going in this direction. I don't think it's gonna go all the way up to this one, so I'm gonna cancel this one for now. For now, I'll keep my my short, what are they called? They are, yes, what? Yes, thank you. My short position there, if it seems like it's going in that direction. Gosh, it would be nice if my brain worked with me today, but it's fine. I'm gonna keep that one, and I'm gonna keep this one. I might end up calling it then just for today. That's fine. But what I am gonna do, give me a second. Okay. Yeah, you know what? I looked down for 5 seconds. What happened? Let us see, shall we? Okay, let's see. Let's see what happens. It's climbing. Let's see if it pushes to there. If it starts melting and messing around again, I will leave it rather. And call it a day. But if it keeps pushing like it looks like it is, there's a tiny bit more momentum again, which is exciting. Let's see, I see someone send me a photo. Give me a second. Okay, let's see what happens. We're going. Okay, so there's some momentum. I will message my friend back now. And maybe not. Okay, no. Super duper slow today. If this does win, I will post it. You best believe I'm gonna bloody post this. Because, oh my god. Today is just... Anyways, you know what? You win some, you lose some. I can't be upset about that. So, on that note, I'm gonna say, you know what, guys? I'm gonna call it at that. Stay tuned. If these go through, I'm not gonna say I'm gonna go live again, but I will post the videos of this. And I will do a bloody dance. Don't ask me what dance, because I can't dance very well. Wait a second. Wait a second. It on ears. Why is it not pumping here? Pump. You bastard. Pump. No, maybe not. Never mind. Okay. It looks like it's not pumping for me, which is rude. That also sounds very weird. I apologize for that. Okay, but then I'm gonna say I love you guys. Bye bye.